Hi everyone, so welcome again. So this is our part 3 Gunge challenge. So here is the request, of course. The leather coat, and a leather this one, the leather thing, and another leather Converse. I'll show you down. So this is All-Star. I don't know, I never used this one. They always been into the cupboard, so it's quite dirty because I've been walking into the garage. So here is the All-Star. Is it All-Star? It's another leather one. So because I'm wearing leather, we should be all in leather. Are you excited, guys? I'm excited. The weather today is so nice, very nice. So I put my hair like this today, so I will be all in leather. It's easy to clean. So let's get started. So here are the Gunge. I'll show you. It's all prepared. My little pool, the Gunge is there, so it's all ready. And as you can see, today is better weather. As the last time I filmed, oh no, the weather is terrible. So this time it's nicer today, so I will be here. Let's put here closer, so you can see me closer. I'll put you here near me, closer. You can see the weather is so pretty, beautiful weather. Okay, let me, oh no, I make sure my shoes is clean. Wait a minute, so I make sure my shoes is clean. Okay, are we ready? Are we ready, guys? I'm so excited with my leather outfit. I think I need to put my camera up a bit that way. Okay, so we are ready. Yeah, you like my choker?